Assalamu alaikum parents, I am here to guide you about the maths of class 1. I have the book of math 1 class and I have opened the page number 47. In our last lecture, we have discussed the concept of greater than and less than. In today's lecture, we will discuss the concept of ordering numbers up to 100, ascending and descending order. I have a page. Ordering numbers up to 100, ascending order and descending order. Mostly kids are confused about learning ascending and descending order, but it is quite easy. We can learn it by two methods. First method is stairs. We can learn it by our home stairs, and second method is forward counting and backward counting. First, we will discuss the method of stairs. If we have a stair, and we will write numbers on that stair: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If we will start writing the numbers from the below of the stairs, it will become the ascending order: 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Ascending order is going numbers from the less to bigger one. If we will write numbers from the up of the stairs, it will become the descending order: 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Descending order always start from the bigger one and go towards the less numbers. It is our ascending order. And it is our descending order. Now we will learn the second method, that is forward counting and backward counting. Forward counting belongs to ascending order and backward counting shows descending order. Kids are always learn forward counting and backward counting from their pre-section level. Like if we will write the numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and so on, it will become the ascending order. And we will write the backward counting 36, 35, 34, 33, 32 and 31 and so on, it will become the descending order. I hope so. Kids have learned properly the ascending and descending order. Now look at the book. You will solve page number 47, ordering numbers up to 100, ascending order exercise and descending order exercise at home. This is your home assignment. I want to tell you an important thing, which is about your assessment. Your assessments are going to start from pre-nursery to 10th class from this week, and you can take these assessments from the Oxford National High School, and keep these assessments at your home for 1 week, solve them, fill up them, and then submit again in the office of Oxford National High School. These assessments are very important for you kids because these assessment marks will included in your result marks. So be careful about that assessments, and now take care. Goodbye.